Hey guys, so welcome back to another Rubby Bird. Yeah, I know. Sorry, this freaking I need so yes, okay, I need to go into this clear mode. Sorry. Well, yeah, anyways guys, so welcome back to another Rubby Bird video, and yeah. So yes. So last time we started off with yeah, I know 397 points, right? Yeah, we started off with 397 points, and yes, so I have progressed to 925 points. So yes, today let's do another boss battle. So yes, I'm gonna do another boss battle. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I don't care. I'm doing it. Whether it's a 10-minute boss battle, yeah. I hope I don't rage today. So yeah, but if I rage, you know, it's okay. You know, I try to make it short as possible. Lol. Making it short as possible. How to make a rage video as short as possible. Okay. Oh my god. God damn it, my phone keeps like having notifications because, you know, my friends always chat with me. You know, they always chat with me. Just, god damn it. Oh, my hands are tired now. Oh freak. Okay. So yeah, so I just want to tell you guys some tips here. You guys might be asking like why does my points increase? Like, yeah, because oh yeah, I just lost my thought of concentration because, you know, yeah, I just lost my trail of thought. Okay, that's what I mean. Oh, I can't believe I just did that, but yeah, anyways, I should have concentrated more better. So now I have 1015 points. I probably, no, I cannot buy, where is that 1128 thing? Oh wait, that 1128 is actually this Leela, I think. Yeah, this is Leela. Yes. Okay, so let us probably rub. No, let's rub. You know, what is it? This Oya something. I think his name is Oya. No, actually, the piece of failure is actually the Oya. That object, you know. Yeah, it's actually Oya. Oya. Yeah, the Oya. Yeah, it's all about that Oya. Oh my god, now my ears are itchy. Oh, wow, itching everywhere. Ooh. Oh, god damn it. Oh god, I think I just changed my finger, right? Yeah, pretty much. I just changed my finger. Oh, I thought the thing kind of lagged out a little, but no. Okay, I changed my finger and change. God damn it! I don't want to waste my time trying to rage over this. So yeah. So oh god, I want my present credits. So yes. Anyways, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, so I pretty much got 1081 points, you know. Yeah, 1081 points, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's Rubby Bird video, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, please leave a like, I would greatly appreciate it, and subscribe for more, and yeah, goodbye.